see how the Hanudent water flosser works and also its parts. This is the water tank of the flosser. Open the flap and fill it with water and then shut the flap back. This is the front portion. Let's see the other parts as well. This is the nozzle through which the water streams to your mouth. Now see this open part at the top, that is where the nozzle goes in. Fit it in and you can also turn it 360 degrees. This is the power button. The next is the mode button. You can select 3 modes, one from the 3 modes, the normal, soft or pulse mode depending on your cleaning requirement and your comfort zone. Now this is the charging port. You can charge it depending on the frequency that you use it and close it using a rubber stopper. Now the water tank is 230 ml, fairly large, so that you don't have to keep filling water. You can shut and close the flap for use. This button is for taking off the nozzle. If you press it, you can pull lightly and take the nozzle out. Alright, so let's see how to use it. So first of all, use your index finger to switch on the power if you have to clean the front portion. Okay, look how she's pointing the nozzle away from the control panel. She is moving the nozzle after closing the lips. Along the gum line she's moving the nozzle, okay, from left to right and back and forth. Okay, so you can select the mode before that. Now don't open the mouth, otherwise water can flow out. Now the same index finger is used to switch on the power to clean the bottom part of the teeth in the front. Same way, she's moving it left to right and right to left along the gum line. Keep the lips closed. The index finger is used to manipulate the power button. Okay. Now, if you want to clean the inside of your teeth, that portion facing closer to the tongue, that is at the bottom part. Okay. Now use the index finger to switch on the power and similarly in same fashion move the nozzle from left to right and right to left along the gum line, keeping the lips closed. Now the procedure is slightly different how you switch on if you are cleaning the back portion of the teeth in the upper part. Okay, use your thumb, not the index finger. This is very important. Use your thumb and switch on the power button. Turn the control panel towards you and clean the portion behind your teeth, top portion, using the nozzle which is on the side facing the panel.